म्हजें नांव शेशम बिडये and I'm the head of operations at Onstro. So Onstro is a company based out of Verna, having offices in Goa, obviously, and Portugal. So we are a SaaS company. We have different products, as well as we are into solution. We solve real world challenges. आणि हांगा MES कॉलेज आमच्या कडेन अप्रोच जाली इफ वी कॅन हेल्प देम विथ द हॅकथॉन. सो आमी तांकां केन्ना ना म्हणनात. And we have sponsored this event and we are supporting them as well. So 19 टीमी हांगा आयिल्ली आसा गोंयच्या गोंयांतली 18 कॉलेजीस आयिल्ली आसा आनी तांकां आमी प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट दिल्लें आसा. सो ह्या चॅलेंजीचेर दे वील बी वर्किंग ऑन अ सोल्युशन आनी तांकां 24 वरां ही वेळ दिल्ली आसा आनी फाल्यां आमी परत हो इव्हेंट जज करपाक आसा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हांगा येवन फुडें एक करेज जाय पडटा हॅकथॉना खातीर ती ह्या भुरग्यांक दाखयल्ली आसा. एंड वी आर होपफूल दॅट वील सी समथींग गूड टुमॉरो. एंड कुडोज टू ऑल द वॉलंटियर्स ऑफ MES कॉलेज की तुमी हें ऑर्गनायज केल्लें, स्पेशली राहील एंड ऑल द प्रोफेसर्स. आमी गौरी मॅम, डॉक्टर मनस्वी जिणें हाका सपोर्ट केल्लें आसा फ्रॉम कॉलेजीस. हे इव्हेंटाचें म्हळ्यार भुरग्यांक की आमी चॅलेंजीस दिता कंपनीक कितें कितें इश्यूज आसता ते आनी ताजेर तांकां काम करपाक मेळटा. हें आमी पळयलां की जे सामके भुरगे जिद्दी आसता न्ही, सो ते त्या मुखार येवन आपली जे टॅलंट दाखयता. दीज आर द पीपल हू आर व्हेरी क्युरियस इन सॉल्विंग द इश्यूज. सो पीपल हू आर कमींग फॉरवर्ड आर ऑब्वियसली करेजियस. सगळेच भुरगे येना, थोडे मोजके येता. सो हांव म्हणटा की चडांत चड भुरग्यांनी अशे हॅकथॉनान पार्टिसिपेट जावचें.
I am from TYBCA from MES Sociology College of Arts and Commerce. So basically we have organized a 24 hours hackathon as a part of our Genesis Open event. In this 24 hours hackathon, students from different colleges across the Goa comes and participates. We give them problem statements and they are here in this class for 24 hours solving that problem. And at the end they show us the prototype or the final product.
Gauri Desai, head of the Department of Computer Application at MES Sociology College of Arts and Commerce. Today we have hosted hackathon which is powered by Onstro company. This event is majorly for the students who are very much talented, who want to burn their 24 hours here to bring out the best out of the problem statement which is given to them. We are thankful to Onstro company for allowing us to host this hackathon for the first time ever in MES College. We have completed 53 years of MES College and 25 years of BCA program at MES College.
Principal Manasvi Kamath of MES Siva Sanjay Joshi College. आमचे फर्स्ट टाइम आमी हॅकथॉन ऑर्गनायज केला बाय BCA स्टाफ आणि ऑल टुगेदर देर आर 16 teams which have come, and for the first time we are doing this powered by Onstro, where they have sponsored this program for us. And this is for especially for the generation which is younger generation, which is going to come up with lot of AI activities, lot of technology which is being used, and for them one problem will be given, and this problem which is given ते तांच्यांनी सॉल्व करून दाखोवपाचें. आणि इट इज अ 24 hours प्रोग्राम. आता तांचे 2 स्टार्ट जाला, तर विच वील गो अप टू टुमॉरो 2 o'clock. फूल डे एंड नाईट दे वील बी वर्किंग ऑन इट. आणि इट इज अ प्राऊड प्रिविलेज दॅट आर डिपार्टमेंट, द BCA department is doing this, because nowadays the younger generation, Gen Zs, have to be given lot of this type of experiential learning, and it is a proud privilege that MES College is doing it for the first time, and definitely it will be one of the success story of our college.